scalar quantization. Scalar quantization is also related to the rate distortion theory. So in this also we will see about the how can we minimize the distortion. So in source coding, the quantizer can be optimized if we know the PDF of the signal amplitude at the input of the quantizer. Suppose that the sequence xn at the input to the quantizer has PDF p of x, and let to L is equal to 2 to the power r is the number of levels. So to design the optimum quantizer that minimize the quantization error, which is q is equals to x bar minus x. Suppose f of x bar minus x denotes the function of error. The distortion will be given by d equal to integration minus infinity to infinity f of x bar minus x p of x dx. ठीक है, it is nothing but the expected value of that in the previous part, that is rate distortion theory. D is equals to expected value of d of x comma x bar. So we have used the function, that is the integration f of x, that is it is the d of x comma x bar. ठीक है, in our case it is the function which is the function which is the function of error. ठीक है, because the difference between the x bar and x. Okay, it is nothing but a distortion measure. ठीक है, so we have used the PDF expected value obtained from the PDF. ठीक है, so in general an optimum quantizer is one that minimize d by optimally selecting output levels and correspondingly input range of each input level for a uniform quantizer. So if we are using the uniform quantizer, the output levels are specified as xk bar is equals to half of 2k minus 1 del. These are the output of quantizer which is used by x bar. ठीक है, so x bar k, that is the kth level, kth quantizer for the kth value of the quantizer. So xk bar which is equals to half of 2k minus 1 del. ठीक है, and the input range there you can see the value of the input k minus del, which between x is between k minus del into and k del. ठीक है, you can see the value of x will be del. Del is nothing but the step size. ठीक है, just remember the concept of PCM, pulse code modulation. ठीक है, it is that method. ठीक है, so it is the input range and it is the output level क्या है, half of 2k minus 1. So if the uniform quantizer is symmetric with an even number of levels, so we can minimize this. That is it is only for the, जो आपके पास जो फंक्शन लेकर, it is only for the single symbol. ठीक है, so if we are having the k number of symbols, l number of symbols are there. ठीक है, if we are having the l number of symbols, because of we are having the l number of levels, so there will be l number of symbols. ठीक है, सो तो जो भी हमारा जो भी रेंज रहेंगे, ठीक है, विच एवर इज आवर रेंज, इट विल बी नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज को हम डिवाइड कर देंगे एल नंबर ऑफ रेंज में, एंड ईच रेंज इज ईच step will having the step size of del. ठीक है, so if we consider the uniform quantizer which is symmetric with an even number of levels, so we can have the distortion d. ठीक है, we have to take the summation for half number of levels. ठीक है, because it is symmetric with an even number, so उसको हाफ ले लेंगे, l by 2 माइनस 1 लग जाएंगे और उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे पूरी रेंज को. ठीक है, एंड यूज द फंक्शन दैट इज जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ x बार एंड x. वैल्यू ऑफ x बार इज 2k माइनस 1 माइनस x. ठीक है, एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ किसकी इंटीग्रेशन है, x का. इट इज द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ, इट इज द रेंज फॉर x. ठीक है, सो x की रेंज क्या, k माइनस 1 डेल टू k डेल. ठीक है, तो रेंज ऑफ k माइनस 1 डेल टू इट इज द k डेल. ठीक है, एंड p ऑफ x d ऑफ x. ठीक है, नाउ इट इज द डिस्टॉर्शन. ठीक है, फॉर द यूनिफॉर्म क्वांटाइजर हैविंग इवन नंबर ऑफ सिमेट्रिक लेवल्स. ठीक है, नाउ अनदर केस, इफ वी आर हैविंग, if we assume that x bar is equals to xk bar. ठीक है, that is if we are taking the for the quantizer output as xk bar. ठीक है, now we will replace x bar by xk bar. अभी हाल के इसमें हमने क्या किससे रिप्लेस किए थे, हाफ ऑफ 2k माइनस 1 डेल से. ठीक है, which is related to the step size. ठीक है, अभी हम क्या करें, we are directly taking the एक्स के सिग्नल. ठीक है, एक्स के जो रहेगा वो उसको डायरेक्ट लेंगे. सो एट दैट टाइम डी विल बिकम अगेन द सेम थिंग. अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, यूनिफॉर्म क्वांटाइजर तो है, लेकिन अभी हम इवन नंबर सिमेट्री अज्यूम नहीं कर रहे. सो वी हैव टू सम ऑल द लेवल्स. ठीक है, सो it will be, and the range of x is xk minus 1 to xk. So integration will be from xk minus 1 to xk. So f of xk bar माइनस एक्स पी ऑफ एक्स डी एक्स, ठीक है. So in similarly, if we are now, which is the